Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a QR code in your documents in CorelDRAW. So let us dive into this, guys. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your document. Let me add a new page here. And what you want to do next, guys, is you want to navigate to this tab here, object, right? Click into insert and choose QR code. And you will see that QR code generated here. So you may, for example, add an external URL or I don't know, any plain text or anything of that and enter the URL here below, right? So let me go with google.com for the sake of this tutorial. And then you may customize the color, for example, the pattern here, right? For example, you can go with this one or that one and change the color as well. And yeah, for example, change the color palette here and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. After that, save your document as you normally do on your device in JPEG file format, for example, to save that QR code and to use it for your projects. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.